Good morning, my children, and welcome to your English class, the class of the teacher Jacob. So for today, my children, we're going to continue or we're going to start with a new topic. Now, this topic is also part of the review. Remember, today we're going to talk about additions. Now, the word addition in Spanish means sumas, and that means that we are going to start with these mathematical operations in which we have to add, okay, numbers or objects to this mathematical operation. Recuerden, chicos, que las sumas son parte de nuestro repaso, de este repaso que estamos realizando, porque pues a veces se nos olvidan las cosas y necesitamos volverlas a trabajar para que de esa forma pues ya no se nos olviden. Y las sumas es uno de los temas de estos repasos. Ahora recuerden, chicos, que las sumas son operaciones matemáticas en donde nosotros vamos a sumar, vamos a añadir, vamos a poner más números o más objetos de los que ya tenemos, ¿ok? Para esto pues necesitamos de dos números. Esos dos números los vamos a juntar, ¿ok? Para poderlos contar y al final poner su resultado. Now, for these additions, remember, we need two symbols. Recuerden que necesitamos de dos símbolos para cada una de estas sumas que vamos a realizar. Y estos símbolos, pues, son muy importantes porque al final de cuentas nos indican qué operación estamos realizando. Porque dentro de este repaso también vamos a ver restas. Y las restas también tienen su símbolo que los identifica. En el caso de las sumas, el símbolo que los identifica es el símbolo más. The plus symbol that looks like a cross, que parece una cruz. Okay, we have the plus symbol. Okay, whenever we have this object, it indicates an addition. Cada vez que nosotros veamos este símbolo, pues nos estará indicando una suma. Siempre que veamos este símbolo, ok, indica suma. The other symbol is the one that has two hyphens, one up and one down. El siguiente símbolo es el que tiene dos guioncitos, uno arriba y otro abajo. Now this symbol, it means equal. Now the word equal in Spanish, igual o el resultado, okay? That means that next to, al lado, vamos a poner el resultado que vamos a obtener de sumar los objetos o los números, okay? So it's very important that we also remember the name of these objects. We have plus symbol, equal symbol, okay? Very good. Now, for today, we are going to make some exercises based on additions, and we are going to use them objects, okay? Instead of using numbers, we are going to use objects. Now, for this exercise, this exercise is part of your printed pages, so if you want to work along with the teacher, you have 5 seconds to grab your sheet of today and your pencil case. Recuerden, chicos, que el trabajo del día de hoy es parte de las actividades que ustedes ya tienen en casita. Por lo tanto, si quieren trabajar junto con el teacher Jacob, tienen 5 segundos para ir por su estuchera y por su actividad de hoy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. Let's begin. So, first of all, let's see what objects do we have for today for these additions. The first one, we have some pandas, okay? These are pandas. Next to, we have cows. Next to the cows, abajo de las vacas, we have some elephants. Next to the elephants, we have some bears, unos osos. And the final addition, it's about caterpillars. Okay? Caterpillars, remember, are part of the family of insects. Now, let's begin first of all with the pandas. Now remember, in order to tell if it's an addition that we are talking about, we have to recognize the symbol. Recuerden, chicos, que nosotros para saber si estamos hablando de una suma, es importante saber el símbolo. So, here we have a plus symbol, so yes, it's an addition. From one side, de un lado, tenemos una cantidad de pandas, del otro lado, tenemos otra cantidad. Recuerden que tenemos que contar todos los panditas que están de este lado y de este lado para saber cuántos son en total y de esa forma poner el resultado. So, let's start counting. For this, remember, you have to help the teacher, Jacob. 1, 2, 3, let's go the other side, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so we have 7 pandas in total. So, the result, number 7. Now remember, the number 7 is the number that is always sleepy and it's always inclined. That's the number 7. Let's continue with the cows. For the cows, once again, okay, we have to count them all to see what's the result. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so how many cows are in total? They are 5. Remember, the number 5 is a number that has a huge stomach, a big belly like the teacher Jacob. Let's continue with the elephants. Okay, remember, once again, we have to be very careful and recognize the symbol. Remember, what's the symbol for the additions? ¿Cuál es el símbolo que vamos a ocupar para las sumas? The plus symbol, el símbolo más. Okay, which is right here. So, let's count all the elephants. 1, 2, 3. So, the result, number 3. Now remember, the number 3 is a number that looks like a snake. Let's continue with the bears, okay? Now remember, once again, on one side we have an amount of bears, and the other side we have a different amount. What we have to do is count all of them. Recuerden, chicos, que de un lado tenemos una cantidad de osos, al igual que del otro lado tenemos otra cantidad totalmente diferente. Lo que tenemos que hacer es contarlos todos para saber cuál es el resultado. De eso se tratan las sumas. So, let's begin with this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so we have 10 bears. What's the result? Number 10. Remember, for this number, we need 2 digits. Number 1 and number 0. And we put them together, creates number 10. Number 1, number 0. Let's finish with the caterpillars. Now, caterpillars, okay, let's count them all to see what's the result. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so what's the result? Number 8. Remember, the number 8 is a number that has 2 circles, one up and one down, and looks like Olaf from the movie Frozen. One up and one down. like a snowman. Very good, excellent. The teacher Jacob is very happy because you did a beautiful and excellent job. So thumbs up. Very good. So that's it for today, my children. Okay, remember, it's very important that we start working on additions, and that's why it was very important to have a review of the numbers, because from now on we are going to make mathematical operations. So that's why it's very important that you recognize the numbers. So tomorrow we are going to continue working with more examples. Until that day, have an excellent day. Recuerden, chicos, que a partir de ahorita pues vamos a empezar a trabajar con sumas, con restas, con operaciones matemáticas. Por eso era muy importante que viéramos y diéramos un repaso final a los números que ya habíamos estado trabajando, porque pues de esta manera, cuando nosotros pongamos el resultado de los números, nosotros ya los identifiquemos sin ningún problema. Por eso, si todavía tienen alguna duda, si todavía se les dificulta un poquito el reconocerlos, es importante que trabajen en casita, ¿ok? Trabajen en casita recordando esos números, volviéndolos a repasar y pues tratar de memorizar los pequeños. So that's it for today. Once again, teacher Jacob loves you very much. Take care. Goodbye.